Dear students, it's another part of waves and sound. Let's discuss time period and frequency. To understand the concept of time period, you must understand the concept of wave cycle. Let's consider the motion of these two waves. In case of transverse waves, one crest and one trough from one wave cycle are one oscillation, while in the case of longitudinal waves, one compression, one rarefaction from one wave cycle are one oscillation. Now, how many wave cycles or oscillations are there when transverse waves? And how many wave cycles or oscillations are there in longitudinal waves? Well, this crest and trough make one wave cycle, this crest and trough make another wave cycle, and this crest and trough also make another wave cycle. So there are three wave cycles or three oscillations, and this transverse wave motion here, this compression and rarefaction make one wave cycle, and this compression and rarefaction make another wave cycle. So there two wave cycle are two oscillations and this longitudinal wave motion. Now listen carefully. Time period is defined as time taken by the oscillating body to complete one wave cycle or one oscillation. Time period is denoted by capital T and its SI unit is second. For example, this wave completes its one oscillation or one wave cycle and 2 seconds in 2 seconds, and its time period is T is equal to 2 seconds. If this wave completes one oscillation or one wave cycle in 1 second, then its time period is T is equal to 1 second. Just remember that time period is the time taken by oscillating body to complete one cycle. Also remember that the equation of time period T is equals to 2 pi root of L by G. Finally, let me discuss about frequency. What is frequency? Consider the three motion of these three waves. Let in 1 second this wave completes 3 wave cycles or 3 oscillations. In second number wave, in 1 second it completes 4 wave cycles or 4 oscillations, while third number wave, in 1 second it completes 6 oscillations or 6 wave cycles. We define frequency as number of wave cycles or number of oscillations completed in 1 second. Frequency is denoted by a small f. The SI unit of frequency is Hertz. Thus, the frequency of first figure is 3 Hertz because it completes 3 oscillations in 1 second. Like that, the frequency of second figure is 4 Hertz because it completes 4 oscillations in 1 second. And at last, the frequency of third figure is 6 Hertz because it completes 6 oscillations in 1 second. Also remember that frequency f is equals to 1 by T.